Let's put it up and see. Oh yeah, the focus is hampered. Am I in focus? No. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna quickly test this Ulenzi wide angle lens because this is how I'm using the Osmo Pocket in car. This is what it looks like. I mounted it using a really cheap suction mount. If you have seen my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. I would like to test if the wide angle lens will work. Honestly, straight up, I need to tell you that I'm worried about the image quality, especially distortion around the sides and some vignetting. I want to see what's going to happen, and this is a quick test. Let's put it up and see. Oh yeah, the focus is hampered. Am I in focus? No. I mean, the preview screen looks horrible. The face track works. But am I doing something wrong? The focus is totally effed up. Okay, did I put it wrong somehow? Is there a wrong way to do this? I'm gonna put it up. I totally feel like I'm out of focus here. Let's recenter. Down my face quickly, but I'm quite confident that the footage is horrible, but let's see. Now I need to go to the tennis club nearby. Alright, the face track is on and I'm walking towards the tennis club. So this is the angle you get with the wide angle lens. So it's definitely an improvement over the field of view, the default field of view of Osmo Pocket. And let me show you what I mean by that. Whoop, the lens off and my face, and you can only see my face, which is not enough when you're trying to tell a story or when you're trying to show how your day is going. Like, this is too much on my face and I'm not enjoying it. Meanwhile, with the wide lens, boom, you get a lot more, and I can keep the Osmo Pocket closer to my face. That means better audio as well. But let's make a stationary test. And with the wide lens on, I'm gonna put it in a way that I have the goal. No, see, there, I have the entire goal. And when I take the lens off, that's a radical change. Boom versus boom. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, this makes a difference. It snaps on beautifully, but sometimes it's troublesome to put it up there. And the biggest problem is that Osmo Pocket's gimbal cannot initiate with this lens on. So if I was able to keep this lens on at all times, it would be fantastic. So this is my iPhone, and you know, I just told you that you cannot really start the gimbal with the wide lens on, but there's no problem turning it off. Boom. So you can store it in its case like this, but when you are starting it, you'll see it will just fail to initialize. Like, it cannot calibrate. The initial calibration doesn't work, and this is the message you get. So what you need to do is just initialize it normally and then put your wide angle lens. Let's take the wide angle lens out. Boom. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is manageable. Many people vlog like this, but I still like the extra field of view, especially if the focus works fine. We're good. Once again, with the wide angle lens, this is it. And with the arm extended, yeah, this is a lot better than the default field of view of Osmo Pocket. Alright guys, once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe for more quick tests like this one. And until then, arrivederci.